G'day guys, just going to show you a really quick one here. This is a Holden HZ or with a Stromberg 2-barrel carby on it. Fuel continuously leaking into the motor with the fuel pump turned on, as in electric fuel pump. So we've undone little screws around here, little flat screws. 1, 2, 3, 6 screws, and then you undo this little one over here. So split pin, one over here, split pin, pull that one out of there. I've of course undone all this, and one down here which I've just bumped with my hand and pulled out, one there. Then around the back, this one here, little vacuum line which goes all the way around there somewhere. Anyway, you get the idea. You very carefully lift it up. Watch the spring coming over here. Roll it over. Now, into the carby. Now this here is where it gets stuck in this. I should be able to move that out of the way, yep. Down here, little rusty looking pin there. Right. So this, I've obviously undone all this since it's been running, but I thought I'd just pop this video in. So this sticks, so it sticks in a downward position because the fuel runs out from sitting. It starts to rust, as evident on that pin there. Then in turn, yeah, the fuel continues. So we're going to main fuel line in, undo that, undo this one here, which is takes you into your needle and sit, or which is there. Pull that out of there, I'll just drop it out here. It's got a real fine little rubber tip on it, and in that tip goes down there, and that shuts the fuel on and off as the carby fills up, as the bowl fills up. Now we're obviously going to have to clean all this. You'd have to remove that. I'm not sure how to do that just yet, whether it just lifts out or not. I haven't got that far, my legs are too short to see in. So clean it up, put it back together. You can get carby cleaners and all that sort of stuff, and you can buy kits for them too, but unfortunately I don't have a kit with me today, but I just wanted to see whether that was the problem, and indeed it was. And I've also noticed just now this seal here is toast, and as a rule with any gaskets at all, you undo them. They're a once use only. Once they're tensioned down and they get their little squeeze on them, as you can see there, little lip there, little lip here. Once it's got that lip, it's squeezed down. The gasket's now used. You could reuse it again, and it may not leak, but it very well could leak too. Whoops, being on fuel, you know what that equals if it does leak onto your motor, and you know, the rest is history. Down, you burn your car down. So anyway, this is one of my babies. She's up for sale. If you're interested, reach out. She's a 1978 Holden HZ. Just show her off a quick. GDS dash, beautiful, all original interior. Not much to look at just yet because it's in the process of putting it back together. Goodbye.